When you look up at the night sky, you see just a tiny fraction of the universe. Astronomers estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies, each filled with billions of stars. The scale is almost impossible to imagine. If our Milky Way was the size of a dinner plate, the nearest galaxy, Andromeda, would be another dinner plate a few meters away. Scientists have discovered exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system, that are stranger than science fiction. Some are made mostly of water. Some rain molten glass sideways at thousands of kilometers per hour. And some are so close to their stars that a year lasts just a few hours. At the center of almost every galaxy lies a supermassive black hole. Its gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. In 2019, scientists captured the first real image of a black hole's shadow, proving that Einstein's predictions were right, even a century later. 85% of all matter in the universe is invisible. We call it dark matter because we can't see it directly, but we know it's there because of the way it bends light and holds galaxies together. Without it, the stars we see would simply fly apart into the emptiness of space. Our Milky Way is on a slow-motion collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. Don't worry, it won't happen for another 4 billion years. When it does, the night sky will light up with spectacular views as the two galaxies merge into one giant Milkomeda. Nebulae are the nurseries of stars. Inside these colorful clouds of gas and dust, gravity slowly pulls matter together until new stars are born, like cosmic cradles giving life to the universe. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, has now traveled over 14 billion miles from Earth. It carries a golden record with sounds of Earth, greetings in 55 languages, music from Bach to Chuck Berry, a message in a bottle for any alien civilization that might find it one day. Some scientists believe our universe might just be one bubble in a vast multiverse, with countless other universes, each with its own laws of physics. We may never know for sure, but it reminds us how mysterious reality truly is. The more we learn about the universe, the more questions we discover. Space is not just empty, it's alive with mysteries waiting to be solved. Stay curious, because the next great discovery might completely change how we see everything.